Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. I think it was Seth Godin who years ago mentioned the business strategy of going after, pursuing the smallest viable target market possible. And when I first heard that, and maybe for yourself too, you think that's crazy. I want to do lots of cleaning, for example. I want to really help a lot of people. But kind of counterintuitively, the point he is making, I think, is this, that if we target a couple niches, let's say, for example, office cleaning, and of course there's warehouse cleaning, medical manufacturing, all kinds of things. Let's say office cleaning and auto dealers. And we just pick two niches. Not doing everybody. We're going to focus on two niches. Well, if we focus on, let's say, office cleaning, and we find out that those customers really they hate it when they go into the office in the morning and the paper towels and hand soap, the supplies are low. They're not been completely filled. They're not taken care of. But you come up with a way of checking, double checking, verifying to make sure they are full and taken care of. So every morning they'll be delighted with that. Well, that's something that you could boast, promote, show to your prospective clients. Let's say we're talking about auto dealers and we find that they really want the showroom floor. It's very important to them that it looks fantastic. Well, you lay out a service schedule that really makes it look fantastic. And you can prove that because you have places that you've done that, let's say. Well, when you show that service schedule, how you plan on taking care of that showroom floor to auto dealers, it really hits them, it'll make an impression, and you could really grow a lot. So the very act sometimes of restricting to, as Seth Godin would say, the smallest viable, meaning financially viable group of target niches to get your target market, in there is an opportunity to really learn about them and specialize to come up with ways to create innovative differences of service to impress those prospective clients and hopefully grow. Hope that makes sense. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.